Here's to an amazing raw morning, starting it out right. I'm making the Raspberry Nutty Smoothie, which is so beautiful and delicious. Very nutritionally impactful. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a banana, and it's frozen. I like my smoothies thick, and so if you use frozen banana, it's easier. And it will go by quicker and not cause as much hardship on your blender if you slice your bananas first. Okay, pour in some coconut water. Give it a little extra flavor. And then we're gonna do 3/4 cup of, I like to do half Brazil, half cashews. You could do all Brazils, it's such a delicious flavor. I'm gonna add a few more nuts. Whoops. I'm gonna eat that one. Because I can. Teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna use a little bit more because I'm making for a few more people. You could add some cacao if you want to make it chocolatey. We're going to make it a little bit chocolatey. Add in 1 tablespoon of cacao, not to be confused with cocoa, which is alkalized. Just straight up cacao. Delicious. And I am going to do 2 drops of monk extract. And while that is blending, I'll go ahead and get my raspberries ready. I'm gonna add a little bit more coconut water. I'm feeding like 4 people, so. This tastes like a Wendy's frosty. Ooh, holy cannoli. Now it's time to mash the raspberries. When you are doing raw, you're gonna be at the grocery store a lot in the produce department because, you know, I bought, like, to me, this would last me a week typically because I just use a few here and there. We're gonna use them all probably right now. You can use whatever you want. If you want to make it fast and easy, you can use a magic bullet or something to blend them up, but I'm just gonna smash them. Is that a word, smash?
Yeah.
Smash, mash, whatever you want to say. Get out our And this is like good to the last drop. It's just amazing. Kind of pull this over to the side a little bit so that it will move. Not just be on the bottom. Oops. Messy, messy, messy. Maybe I won't do that. Maybe I will not do that. Don't do that. There we go. Here's to an amazing raw morning, starting it out right.
All right.
I got that little bit of raspberry in there. Fantastic. Man, that was a total messy experience. I don't have paper towels. You want some of this back?